Good morning. Oh, I don't like this filter, but I'm only going to be on here a second. So this morning we're in Curacao and I'm just getting ready, showing you guys my wig for the day. I was deciding between this curly one and doing my wavy wig. I decided to go with the curly wig. I'll put on the wavy wig tomorrow. But yeah, you don't want to travel with cheap hair, ladies. If you're going on vacation and you don't want your wig to ruin your vacation, get a wig from Magic Hair Company. It's bomb. It's glueless. You will not regret it. Very easy to style. All I did today was put a little bit of water in my hair. We're doing some snorkeling and going to the beach, so I don't want product dripping into my face. And that's it. That is it. You don't want to be on vacation and have to be that person that has to, like, you know, take forever to do their hair because they have cheap hair. Get some quality hair. You don't have to worry about it. So I'm excited for today. I will show you guys lots of updates on what we do. I'll definitely post a video of me snorkeling today, but shop with us at Magic Hair Company if you want the best of the best lace wigs. I did spray just a tad bit of Got To Be spray on my wig today because, as I said, we're swimming and snorkeling and I don't need my wig to move at all. And yeah, check us out at magichaircompany.com. We do have medical reimbursement, so if you have any sort of hair loss and would like your insurance to cover.
If you turn on precise location for Siri and dictation on your
Siri,
iPhone.
nobody asked you to talk. So if you have any sort of hair loss and you can get a prescription from your doctor for a medical wig, go ahead and get that prescription so we can get you in a beautiful, luxurious wig from Magic Hair Company. Thank you guys for watching. Check us out at magichaircompany.com and visit us in our Culver City store. Bye, y'all, pow, pow. I'll see you guys later. Bye.